projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Task Management System. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. The Task Management System is a comprehensive application designed to streamline and enhance task organization, prioritization, and collaboration through three primary modules and an additional calendar feature. The first module is a console-based application providing a straightforward interface for essential task management operations. Users can create personal accounts, log in securely, and perform basic tasks such as creating, modifying, and deleting tasks. Additionally, tasks can be organized by priority and category, allowing users to focus on the most critical activities. Coming to the second module, it introduces file system storage and email sharing capabilities. All tasks are saved to the file system for data persistence, ensuring they remain accessible even after logging out. This module also includes an email sharing feature, enabling users to share specific tasks with others, facilitating seamless collaboration and communication. The third module offers a graphical user interface for task management, making the system more visually intuitive and user-friendly. Users can log in into the system through the GUI, add new tasks, and save them to a database. The GUI also provides tools for manipulating existing tasks stored in the database, enhancing the interactive and engaging aspect of task management. The extra module adds a calendar feature to the GUI, allowing users to select task dates and view their task within a calendar context. This integration aids in visualizing schedules and managing deadlines more effectively, providing users with a valuable tool for planning and time management. The objective of the project is to develop a comprehensive application that includes a console-based interface for basic task management, persistent storage with email sharing, and a GUI integrated with a database for reliable task handling. It also aims to incorporate a calendar feature to aid in scheduling and time management. The project helps everyone from individuals to teams and organizations stay organized. Individuals can manage their daily tasks efficiently, while teams working together can easily assign, track, and manage tasks. For companies, it provides a structured system to ensure tasks are completed on time and everyone knows their responsibilities. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 10 GB and above. Software requirements are Python IDLE and MySQL Workbench. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So here this is the task folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is task app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspect of the application. And this folder also contains a templates folder. Within the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, about.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This task app folder also contains Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is DB file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And here, this is run CLI bat file. To run console-based application, we need to double click on run CLI.bat file. So here, this is the console-based application. So here we can see two options. Enter 1 for login and enter 2 for account creation. So here we are having two options, that is login and account creation. First, we will create an account. So I'm entering the option 2 and then click on enter button. So here we need to enter the username to create the account. So I'm entering the username as Anusha and then click on enter. So we need to enter the password for the account creation. So here we have created the account with the username Anusha and the password this, and now click on enter button. So here we can see account created successfully. And again, we are having two options, login and account creation. Since we have already created an account, now we will log in into the account. So I'm entering the option 1 and now click on enter button. So here we need to enter the username which we have created, which is Anusha, and then click on enter. And then we need to enter the password which we have created and then again click on enter. So here we can see login successfully, login successful. And here we are having four options: create task, update task, delete task, and send task to email via networking. So these are the four options which we have. So first we will create a task. So I'm entering the first option, that is 1, and then click on enter. So here first we need to enter the task name. So the task name is create visualization using Tableau. So this is the task, create visualization using Tableau. Now click on enter. We need to give the task description. So the task description is create pie charts, line graphs, and bar graphs for stock prices. So this is the description. Now again click on enter. So here we need to enter the end date of the task. So task end date is 17/6/2024. So this is the task end date. And here we need to enter the employee name to whom we are assigning the task. That is task assigned to employee. So I'm assigning the task to Shweta. Now click on enter. And here we need to enter the priority of the task. Enter task priority between 1 to 5. So the task priority is 4 because this task is important. So the priority is 4. And the task category is software. So here I have entered all the details, the task name, that is create visualization using Tableau, task description, end date, assigned to employee Shweta, priority, and task category. Now click on enter button. So here we can see task details added with ID 5. So the task details are added with the ID 5. And again, we are having the options, that is create task, update task, delete task, and send task to email via networking. So we have created a task. Now we will update the task. So I'm entering the choice as 2, that is to update the task. Now click on enter button. So here we can see we got the complete details of the task which are available. So here we can see the task ID category. So these are the task IDs and these are the categories. And here we can see the task name, task description, task end date, assigned employee, task priority, and the task category. So here this is the task which we have entered just now. So we can see the task name, description and everything. So here I want to update the task. So here we need to enter task ID to update. So first we need to enter the task ID. So the task ID is 5. So I'm entering 5 here and now click on enter button. And next we need to enter the enter column index between 0 to 6 to update value. So the value which I want to update is the assigned employee. So here we have assigned the task to employee Shweta, but I want to change this. So the column is one. So the column is, this is 0, task ID category is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth column. So enter 4 and now click on enter. And here we need to enter value to update. So I want to assign the task to Shruti. Now click on enter. So here we can see that task updated successfully. So the task is updated successfully. We have changed the assigned task from Shweta to Shruti. And again, we can see the options. Now we will do the delete task. So click on 3 and then click on enter. So here we can see we got the complete details of the task again, and we need to enter task ID to remove. So the task ID which we want to remove. So this is the task which we have added and the task ID is 5. Now click on enter. So here we can see task removed successfully. So we have removed the task successfully. We have created a task, we have updated the task, we have deleted the task, and the fourth option is send task to email via networking. Now let us send the task to email via networking. So I'm writing the option 4. Now click on enter. So here we can see we got the details. So here we can see that the task number with ID 5 is being deleted. We have deleted it. So here we cannot see the details of that task. So here we need to enter task ID to send email through internet. So the task ID to whom we want to send the email is 2. So to this task I want to send the email. So I'm entering the option has 2. Now click on enter. And here we need to enter task receiver email ID. So the receiver's email ID is trueprojects001@gmail.com. So this is the receiver's ID. Now click on enter. So we have sent the task details to this email ID. Now let us check the email. So this is the email and here we can see we got the email, task management system. Let us open this. So here we can see we got the complete details of the task. The task ID to task name, database designed, task description, task end date, assigned employee, task priority, and task category. So these are the details which we have received from the email. Now let us close this. So here we can see we got the details. Enter task ID to send to mail through internet. So we have sent the details of the ID task to the email this, and that was the email in which we have received the details of the task ID 2. So here we have created the task, we have updated the task, we have deleted a task, and we have even sent a task via networking. And the last option is to exit. So if I enter number 5, the task application will come to an exit. So I'm entering the number 5 and then click on enter. So here we can see that the task has come to an end. Now let us open the graphical user interface. So let us close this console. Now click on Run GUI bat file to run the graphical user interface. So here in the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this, unless configured differently. Copy the local link provided by the framework. So here I'm copying the link and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and type index.html and then hit enter. So here the homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see we are having the option user login here. So click on this. So here we need to enter the username and the password which we have created during the console based application. So the username is Anusha and we need to enter the password and then click on login. So we have logged in successfully. And here we can see welcome Anusha. And here we are having the option add task. So click on add task link to add the task details. So here we need to enter all these details to add a task. So the first one is task name. So the task name is create Excel sheet for the project. Coming to the task description, the Excel sheet should contain all the details of the project from the project ID till the project end date. So this is the description for the task, and here we need to enter the task end date. So we can select the task end date from the calendar which we have here. So first we need to select the month. So the month is June 2024 and the task end date is 27. So here I have selected the task end date, which is 27 June 2024. And we need to write the name of the employee to whom we are assigning the task. So assigned employee name is Kriti and the task priority is 5. So this task is very important and it should be completed on or before the end date. And the task category is functional. So these are the details. Now click on submit button. So here we can see new task added to database with ID 5. So here we can see the ID is 5. So in this way, through the console based application and through the graphical user interface based application, we can add the task. So using both console based application and GUI application, we can manipulate or add tasks. Now click on logout link here. The task management system is an essential tool for improving task organization, communication, and overall productivity. By providing both CLI, and GUI options. It caters to a wide range of users and ensures that everyone, from individuals to large organizations, can manage the task effectively.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.